Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel and I'm Hannah. Today I'm here introduce you guys one typical food in China when it's Dragon Boat Festival. And I think many of you guys don't know what is Dragon Boat Festival. It's kind of a traditional festival and we use the dragon boat to have a competition on the river, so that's why we call this Dragon Boat Festival. And I think now it's more a kind of celebrate, meaning it's not everyone will join that dragon boat competition in the river because as you can see there's not too many river and you cannot just go to the river to have your own boat. Anyway, I will give you some example of what is a dragon boat festival and what we do in that festival. You can see the picture from here. 端午 Festival, also you can know it's a Dragon Boat Festival. It has more than 2,000 years of history. It taking place on the 5th day of the 5th month in the Chinese lunar year. The festival is celebrated to commemorate the old poet who killed himself, and his name is Qu Yuan. He was committed suicide into a river, and all the local people heard this news and used their own boat to try to save the Qu Yuan. And this is the original reason why we have Dragon Boat race in the Dragon Boat Festival. And the three of the most widespread activities conducted during the 端午 festival are eating 粽子, which is the sticky rice dumplings, and drinking 雄黄 wine, and racing the dragon boat. Now this is the food I'm talking about. What is, it's called sticky rice dumplings, and it's made of sticky rice, and they have many different kind of flavor in it. And here I have two of them, which is the red one is the meat flavor. I will open it later, and this one is the red beans. So first let's open this one and see what's inside. You can see it looks like this. It's a triangle shape and it's covered with, wait, let me open it. I have it here. You can see in this bag it has two sticky rice dumplings, and it looks like this because it's raw, so it looks a little bit weird. It's some kind of leaves and covered with this kind of string, and inside is sticky rice and with like meat or some kind of anything you want to put inside, you can put it inside. And normally it has two kind of flavor. One is sweet and one is salty. So I think the red beans is sweet flavor and the meat is salty flavor. I will cook it for you guys, and you can see how it can be cooked and how to eat this. And you cannot eat this just like this. It's not eatable. The leaf is just the wrap. Okay, let's cook it. And now I cooked these things. Look, here is the rice dumpling, and here is the sugar, some sugar inside. And first, let's open it because you cannot eat it just like this. First, there's some string on it. You need to open it. Normally a scissor will help. Okay, let's open it. Oh, Look at that. Look. Sticky. Super sticky. And smells quite good. Let's try to open it. Oh, see, here is the red beans inside, and let's put it on the plate because it's too sticky to eat. Okay. And let's open another one. Let's open this one. This one looks not super messy. Looks quite good. It's not a triangle. It's like what's this shape? Anyway. And normally we eat this with the family. So also now you can buy it in the supermarket, which they already made it. And I think in the tradition you need to prepare it from the scratch with your family, similar to the dumpling. Like family gather around and use the leaves to make their own food and together, and after they made them and cook them and everyone join to eat them. But now I think most of the people will just buy it from the supermarket or something. Look, I think this one is a meat flavor. Looks much better than the first one. Okay. Oh, okay, take it off. Okay. My hands are so sticky. And it's quite a big list. Look, it's quite big. And there is one quick fact, which is, do you guys know why they covered everything inside of the leaves and then cook it in the water? Because when you cook it in the water, this sticky rice can get the flavor of the I think it's not bamboo leaves. It's I don't know what kind of leaves, and so you can like a little bit tea flavor, similar to the tea, but it's a little bit different. Okay, let's try first. Start with the meat. Look, this is the meat, and let's dip in some sugar. Super good. It's like super soft because it's sticky rice, so it's not a normal rice. And also there's a flavor of the meat inside, and outside is the flavor of the leaves. And also I always want to add some sugar on the top, so it's like sweet, salty, everything you can imagine is inside of it. And why this one, the yellow is a little bit dark, it's because they put some soy sauce, and also the sauce of the meat make it a little bit more dark than the white one. And here is red beans. You can see the red beans already from here. And this one is more soft. I don't know why, but it's like more easy to break. This one. Okay, let's try to eat the It's full of red beans inside. and with the sugar, of course, it will be sweet. There's one more thing I want to show you guys is this one. It's called the green beans cake, and it's made of green beans, and it's also a typical dessert we eat in the Dragon Boat Festival. Let's open it. Look, it's super soft and sweet, and let's try to eat one. You can taste the flavor of green beans inside. Now I finished eat these two kind of food, and these two food is two of the typical food that we eat in the Dragon Boat Festival. And hope you guys like this video, and if you like my channel or like this kind of video, please click the button here to subscribe, and also remember to leave a thumbs up and give a comment if you want. And let's see you guys in my next video. Bye.